river. Just remember the young people living in you. Running the cops, my friend, that is it. Action pop while someone appear with. How that bunch of bank and you know you can't see.
Where's the world outside? People die, but we try to deny it. Where's the world outside? Don't ask me why, we don't help this beat. Where's the world outside? People die, but we try to deny it. Where's the world outside? Don't ask me why, we don't help this beat.
400 years ago, blacks were attacked from the back, psychologically trapped while we were walking on tracks. The scenery was pure bliss till we spotted European ships. They compared us to evolved chimps and introduced us to influenza guns and spending chips. We sold our kids and wives for knives of mediocre supplies, all the time thinking that we were cooking them and we were wise, and that they came from the skies. Big surprise by the time we realized colored sardines being transported over vast blue streams. Slaves contained in the slavery triangle scheme crushed our dreams, or did they really? Because of them, animosity's no longer in me. Found my Bible, put down my rifle, I'm saved now. No longer living as a hermit, moved out my cave now.
Yo, this is crazy. Isaiah chapter 49 verse 14. When Zion says to God, Lord, please, have you forgotten where's the promised land? I wish I had my own magic wand, like Moses, so I could tap you on the head to get your focus, man. You sitting back contemplating, is this guy talking to me? Well, I'm talking to you if you think that you're James and Capri. Taufik or Felakuti, meditating the morning in Zion's or wilderness. If you get to your charge, where's the eagerness? Where's the eagerness? It's a crazy world outside, but then we don't do nothing, just sitting around. Where's the world outside? People die, but we try to deny it. Crazy world outside. Don't ask me why, we don't help this beat. Where's the world outside? People die, but we try to deny it. Crazy world outside. Don't ask me why, we don't help this beat.
Long time you tell them.
In third place in the sport bike class for a 2012 Suzuki GSXR 600. This goes to Oscar Hernandez. And our first place winner in the Pro Street category for a 2001 Hayabusa is Ram Sharma.
You can see.
Are you using this?
There you go.
Run for your money.
Hey, Omar, put on the post. The video camera performing an answer? What is
Going down the old man with a transistor radio. Standing in a sunlight lamp.
Would have ranked a bit higher.
But he did a lot of things, like power coded his rims this year. Got all the remote, whatever those things are. He said that guy got everything.